Today I'll be showing you how to use TikTok. Step 1, download and install TikTok. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for TikTok. Download and install the app on your device. Step 2, create an account. Open the app and sign up for an account using your email, phone number, or social media account. Step 2, explore the app. The home screen shows 2 feeds, following and For You. The For You page is a feed of popular trending videos. Use the magnifying glass icon to search for specific content, hashtags, or users.
This is Kumpo, an African dance. It is considered
club dance. Tap the person icon to view and edit your profile. See your posts and access your settings. Step 3, upload a video. Tap the plus icon. Press the plus icon at the bottom center of the screen to upload video you have downloaded. Description and hashtags. Write a caption for your video. Use relevant hashtags like hashtag African dance, hashtag club dance, or hashtag dance challenge to reach a wider audience. Mention the person who created the video and African club dances. Lastly, post. Tap post to share your video with your followers and TikTok community.